Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Gothic 1 remake game crashing or not opening, not launching, stuck on loading screen, black screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on the controller, then select power button, then select restart PS5. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check storage space on console. So for that, go to PS5 settings, move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and delete save data. Then go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings, then select save data PS5. Here select console storage and then tap on delete option. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Gothic 1 remake game and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to check for game updates. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with cell console bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5. Now choose system. Next, go to system software. Click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, first go to settings on your PS5, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Now select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the problem or issue is resolved or not. Next method is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on our PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next is to reinstall Gothic 1 remake game. For that, highlight the game on your PS5 screen and press options on the controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Gothic 1 remake game again to check for the error. Next is to contact support. So if the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. They will better suggest you the solutions and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.